Hello.
Hi, hello.
Hi, how are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Ramzan,
Ramzan.
and
Okay.
and your name is Ila?
Ella.
Ella, sorry.
Yeah, no worries. It's very nice to meet you, Ramzan.
Yes, same to you. Thank you.
And what can I do for you today?
What I want is like you have to ask me a lot of questions, and I will be giving you quick reply.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, in that way, I think that I can practice my communication better.
For sure. And do you want me to correct your mistakes every
Yes, yes,
time you make one, like that?
yes, correct.
Okay, cool. So, where do you live, Ramzan?
I live in India.
Uh-huh. Whereabouts in India?
That is in northern part of India.
What state are you in? Do you call them states in India? States or province?
That is Jammu and Kashmir. Yes, state.
States. Can you repeat it for me?
Jammu and Kashmir.
Kashmir. Okay. And do you like where you live?
Yes, of course.
You do? What's good about where you live?
Sorry, what?
What is good about where you live?
Everything is good. I mean, we have the normal atmosphere here, not very cold, not too hot. And other than that, we have greenery, we have liberty and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't have any type of pressure and all. So
Mm-hmm.
that means we are living a happy life.
Oh, that sounds fantastic. I want to come.
So what about you? You are living.
I live in the UK. So I live
Okay.
in a small town near Birmingham. Have you heard of
Uh-huh.
Birmingham?
Not.
So it's the second biggest city in the UK. It's in the middle, so
Mhm.
central.
Uh-huh.
Um, but the weather is not great, as you might have heard about England. It's very cold and rainy, and it is normally very grey. We don't get too much sun, but I still love where I live.
Yes. Okay. And other than that, your profession is something else, and you are working here as a part-time or what?
So I graduated from university last year, and
Hmm.
I was planning on traveling and teaching English at the same time. But of
Uh-huh.
course, with coronavirus, this has not been possible. And so now I am teaching online, trying to save some money for when hopefully everything will be over and I will be able to travel.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
And other than that, mm, mm, yes, please. What I have the problem in understanding the music. I mean, when someone is singing in English,
Yeah.
so at that moment I couldn't able to understand that pronunciation. So
Yeah.
can you help me out with that?
I mean, English songs are very difficult because it doesn't always make sense what people are singing about. And in songs, we use many different words, and so it's very different to normal speech.
So
Um,
you are also listening music and all.
Yeah, but sometimes many people, like me, even me, for example, many people don't understand the actual words in a song, and they will sing like this, "Ah, blah, blah, blah," but they don't know the words because they don't really make too much sense. You
Hmm.
understand?
Yes, I
So
understand.
it's quite difficult to understand English songs, but what is quite useful is you can always Google. So you can Google. So, for example, give me an example of an English song that you don't understand.
If you want, you can also sing a small sentence, and from that, I will try to pick a word.
Sing a small sentence.
Yes, small sentence means a song lyrics.
You want me to sing?
Yes, that will help me to understand that is it possible to understand your pronunciation or not?
Okay. I don't know what to sing though. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. That's it.
Little louder because I'm not
No,
able
no,
to
no. Okay, this is the last
listen.
time.
Yes.
Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away.
Give it away. Yes, yes, yes. These were the words which I could, easily understand.
Okay.
So I don't think that I had any problem. So do you think that any other lyrics where you found that understanding that lyrics is not possible and you just take my test from that?
I mean, there are many, to be honest with you. Yeah, there are many different songs. I don't really know an example, to be honest.
You are not looking energetic. I'm not sure why.
I don't like singing. I don't want to sing.
Yes, but you know that might be you have faced the problem in that specific lyrics. So just take my test that is it possible for me to understand that or not? Because in the previous one, I understood all the words because those were little clear for me. And can you make it little more advanced?
Um, Maybe I can play you a song on YouTube and you can see if you can
No, no,
understand.
no, no. Over there, that is different thing. But while you are speaking, that is the live thing. Because as you know that in the musical room, there are a lot of maintenance and also accordingly they have managed the voice.
I mean, yeah, I don't really like singing though, so I don't really feel comfortable singing. I'm sorry.
You are my teacher. You already know that if you are too much confident, then obviously I will get the confidence as well.
For sure, but I'm not sure how helpful this will be for you, to be honest. Like maybe
Yeah.
if you listen to a song and you do not understand some lyrics, then you can ask me and ask me to explain them to you, but I don't really feel comfortable singing, to be honest.
Okay, okay. Maybe maybe you have heard about the Justin Bieber song, "Baby, Baby." But I
Yeah.
am not sure the other lyrics. So can you please sing that one because there are I have only heard this specific one.
Okay, well, I can tell you the lyrics. It's like I can help you understand the lyrics, but I don't think that me singing the lyrics will help you.
Okay, okay, okay. No problem. Okay, leave it.
Okay, maybe you can tell me a bit about your job and what you do in India.
Yes, that is. I do all the day coding and stuff. So, being a software developer, I
Okay.
am always busy with that.
Okay, so who do you develop software for?
For my clients and for my own, I am also working on my own projects. So over there, I am doing that.
Okay, what projects are you working on?
What project mean?
No, what projects are you working on?
I am working on a specific idea where I am developing some
Some features.
features.
Features. Okay, features
Yes.
like what features?
Like e-commerce website, mobile apps.
Okay. Okay, cool. That sounds like it could be very profitable for you in the future.
Okay, okay, we have 5 minutes. So what I want is that things are not going productive. So